This is day one now, our first full day in Orlando. Just getting ready, heading to Blizzard Beach, just having a chill day. So we've got quite an action-packed couple of weeks, but we've got a ticket for one of the water parks at Disney, so we thought we'd just make the most of it today because it's to be about 30 degrees and this is probably the hottest day of the next week. So
yeah, it's to be maybe like 26, 25 the rest of the week, and then later on next week as well. So we thought we didn't really have any plans, but we bought the water park ticket through Undercover Tourists, and we just went for the off-peak one because we're here in November. So we had from November until the end of January or something like that to use it. They only worked out at about £46 each. You just bought them from there, got them sent to the email address and linked them up to our My Disney Experience app. So yeah, they can be used whenever, which worked out better because we were going to maybe just buy them on the gate, but it worked out quite a bit cheaper doing it through the Undercover Tourist. So we're just going to go for it today. So like David says, it'll be nice and chill. We're not really fussed if what rides we do. We're not massive on the water park rides. I like going to the water park because I just like the lazy river and just the chilled atmosphere of the water park rather than like the big rides, like the big slides. Yeah. But we'll see what we do. I've never been. I've always wanted to go to Blizzard Beach because it's always Typhoon Lagoon that's open when we come, either in the summer or September, October time. This is my first time ever being here at kind of Christmas time, winter time. So Blizzard Beach only opened a couple of weeks ago, maybe even just last week. So I'm so excited to see it. It just looks really cool.
I've not been since like 07, 08 or something like that. Like you say, every time we come back it's always Typhoon Lagoon that's open.
Always shut, isn't it? So
yeah, so looking forward to it.
Be good to experience it. And then I think we're going to go to Disney Springs tonight, aren't we? So it'll be a kind of Disney themed video for you. Blizzard Beach, Disney Springs, and yeah, we'll take you along with us.
Some shopping.
Don't know how much we'll be able to film at Blizzard Beach, like in terms of the rides or whatever. This is our first trip using this new camera, so we'll see how much we can film, but we'll try and film as much as we can and talk you through prices and things like that. But yeah, looking forward to it.
So on our way to Animal Kingdom, Blizzard Beach.
Well, we're heading towards Animal Kingdom.
If anyone doesn't want to go all the way down to the Disney entrance from 192, this is just a little shortcut. Got the gift store, McDonald's just there. Drive along here and then this takes you right into Animal Kingdom, and then Blizzard Beach is just around the corner.
Perks of going on holiday to Florida with someone who used to live here. Not a sat nav in sight. And then back home I need a sat nav to even go to Tesco.
This is where I think you've got a lot of Disney stuff along, obviously still on Disney property, but just in there was like, I think this is where some of the casting stuff is, where they like wash all the like uniforms and stuff like that.
Oh really? Just getting a locker. So it's $10 for a standard locker, $15 for a large locker. There is some machines that take cash, but they're out of order, so make sure you've got your physical card to pay. Is that working?
Yeah, I just can't see.
Cool. So you make a code on the screen and tells you your locker number.
Yeah.
What one's ours? You can also rent towels if you forget your beach towel. Our camera's not waterproof because we don't have a waterproof case for it, so we're going to put the camera in our locker and just try and film some clips on our phone. Some Joffrey's hot donuts. How much were these?
So for the dozen donuts and the white chocolate sauce, it was $15.
No, it wasn't. That's how hungry we are.
And I'm starving.
We've not had breakfast, so we're absolutely hungry.
I would have paid anything.
We have placed a mobile order for a couple of milkshakes, but we've got to wait 40 minutes to collect them, don't we? Blizzard Beach is super busy today, so yeah, that shows the level of hunger that we've paid $15 for some donuts. I'm glad they're good. So good. I'm glad. Let's try one. White chocolate, did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're worth $15. No complaints. We had to start drinking them really quick because they were going to melt, because it is 30 degrees. We've just waited. I mean, that was actually ridiculous, to be honest. We had to wait 35 minutes in the end to select the mobile pickup slot. We were like, that's fine, we can just chill for a bit. And then we got an alert to say that it was ready to collect, and it was still like 10-15 minutes waiting just for some milkshakes. But I got the Christmas peppermint one, and David just got a standard vanilla. I think mine was $7. I'm looking actually up there. $7.49 I think it is, and $5.99 for the normal vanilla one. And David got some chips as well. So it's currently just after 2:30. We're just going to go for another round. Round, yeah.
Another trip round the lazy river.
Trip round the lazy river, that was worded better than me. We've only done 2 rides here, haven't we? What ones did we do, David? I cannot remember the names of them. Or we only done one? We've only done one, what was it called? No idea. One was single rubber dinghies. There's not very many here where you can go like in a 2. And yeah, like I said, we didn't really come to do like loads of different slides and things like that. We just came for the vibes. It's been very relaxing.
Partial for the lazy river, so that's why we went.
Yeah. Yeah, we just like chilling in the lazy river. We might go in the wave pool actually. But no, it's been really good.
Most magical place on earth. It's much later now. We finished up at Blizzard Beach and headed back to the villa. We chilled at the pool for a little bit, and now we're heading to Disney Springs and we're going to get a blaze.
seen online that it was quite busy yesterday at Disney Springs, so I'm assuming it'll be the same today, but hopefully we get a table at Blaze. Looking forward to it, the first one of the trip. I'm sure we'll have a couple.
Maybe it was busy because Sir Ellen was here.
Yeah, Elton John was at Magic Kingdom today. We're going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow, but kind of gutted we weren't there today to see that.
Yeah.
I've seen people's pictures on its Orlando time on Facebook. What an experience.
I remember when Rock was young.
Going to Magic Kingdom and seeing Elton John on the stage. I think he was filming some Christmas special or something like that. But anyway, we'll catch you at Blaze.
Oh, it is busy, yeah.
Yeah.
Not shoulder busy.
Still getting used to this camera, but yeah, it's a little bit busy. Not crazy considering it's a weekend. Christmas decorations.
Yeah. Copyright.
So we are now back at the villa. Today we've not really filmed much, have we? Only because when we went to Disney Springs we met our friends and they had their little girl with them, and it was actually just really busy in general. Like, we went to Blaze and it was super busy, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. We got our food really quick, but it took a while to get a table.
Do you know what? I think that is the quickest we've ever been served.
As in got our food?
Yeah.
Yeah, and considering how
probably
busy...
the longest wait I've ever had.
Yeah, to actually get in and order the food and get a table. But
I'd barely sat down and my pizza was there.
Yeah, so that was good. We got...
Sorry for eating, this is just...
Oh yeah, he's eating his gigantic tub of
I'm
yogurt.
telling you need to get on this.
This is your favourite yogurt.
It is the best thing.
It's lethal though, because you could eat that whole
I eat the whole thing.
Like it's like a tub of ice cream. But yeah, I don't even think we filmed the food, which was really bad, but David got a whole pizza, I got the half and half pizza, half Caesar salad, and I think it was about $31, I think the receipt said, for the two of us, and it was so nice. I'll try and insert a picture if I can, but all the Christmas stuff was up at Disney Springs. There was snow. I got that on video. Yeah. Snow, the fake snow was falling, and our friend was telling us that they're trying to do a lot more like, what's the word?
Just make it look like the parks.
Yeah,
more
she was saying
interactive.
that's the word I was looking for, interactive. For the people who go to Disney Springs but haven't been to the parks, they're trying to, like, they had a scavenger hunt with different Christmas trees and things like that, and there was things for the kids, and it was really good. We just had a quick wander around the shops, went into Sephora, and we went to World Off at Disney to try and find. David wanted a new Disney top to wear to Magic Kingdom tomorrow, but they didn't really have any sizes, did they? To be honest, we went like 25 minutes before closing time, so, and obviously at the end of the week as well, so that was fine. We never got anything, but it was nice just to have a wander about. We're going to go to bed now because we'll be up at like 6 in the morning tomorrow. We're going to Magic Kingdom, and we're doing the character dining breakfast at Crystal Palace. As another little extra special treat, not something that we would normally do.
No, we're more an IHOP and Kiki's.
Yeah, not something that we would normally book, but we just wanted to. We're not doing Disney very often this trip. We're only doing one day at Magic Kingdom, and then we're doing the Jollywood nights later on in the trip. But we just wanted to make it extra special and go all out, didn't we? We want to go to the...
And again, it's like Veterans Day tomorrow, so it could be pretty busy.
Yeah, it could be, but we've got it booked now, so... And we want to go to the Grand Floridian as well, don't we? Well, I definitely do.
You do.
You're not
see the
fussed.
Gingerbread House. No,
but
I'm not fussed for it.
if I'm coming to Florida during Christmas time, I need to go to the Grand Floridian and see the Gingerbread House. So, yeah, we're going to end this vlog here. Thanks to anyone who's watched.
The one thing I do want to know, so at Blaze, so you can either message on Instagram or leave a comment. So at Blaze, there was like an English family behind me when I was ordering my pizza.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have never ever seen people order anything but tomato sauce, and I think getting barbecue sauce as a base on a pizza is weird. But
No,
it is,
that's not weird.
It's tomato sauce, but they had that white creamy sauce on their pizzas.
Didn't Lewis get that?
No, as a base. So the dough, and then instead of tomato sauce, it was the white sauce, some cream sauce that they have at Blaze.
I've never seen
It just
that.
didn't look like a pizza to me.
I've never seen that.
Neither have I. I thought it was weird.
But barbecue base is not weird. You just don't like barbecue sauce.
I just think it's not traditional. You get a pizza.
You just got a plain cheese and tomato pizza.
That's
so
it. It's tried and trusted.
Anyway, that was a bit of a... You went off on a tangent there. You went
Yeah,
back
just
talking about Blaze.
It threw me. I forgot to say it earlier.
Mm-hmm. Oh well. So yeah, we're going to end this vlog here. Thank you again to anyone who's watched today's vlog, and stay tuned because the next one will be hopefully a jam-packed vlog. We're going to have
It'll be a busy
loads.
day.
Yeah,
It'll be a busy day tomorrow.
busy day, loads to film. Yeah, I'm just rambling because I'm tired now.
I'll go to
so,
bed.
yeah, over and out. Thanks, guys. Good morning from the monorail. We are heading to Magic Kingdom today. We've got a jam-packed day. We're doing breakfast with Winnie the Pooh and friends at Crystal Palace. Extra special treat for David's birthday trip. Not something we would normally do, is it? But we had it booked the last time and we cancelled it, so we thought we'll get that rebooked and stick to it this time. So we're looking forward to that.
Make a day of it.
Yeah, make a full day of it. This is our only proper day at Disney because this is like the last of our tickets that we had. We've got non-dated tickets and we had one day left. So the only other Disney tickets that we have are for Jollywood nights. So this is our really only proper full day at Disney this trip, so we're going to definitely make the most of it. It's just past 10 past 8. Our breakfast reservation is at 8:35, so I wanted to go to the Grand Floridian just to quickly see like the Gingerbread House. If I'm here at Christmas time, I have to go and see that. It looks amazing. So I said to David, why don't we just get on the resort monorail and just quickly go and do that just now and get some pictures. So
Sounds like great fun.
it looks, I mean, apparently it looks amazing, smells amazing. Like, I need to see that. So, yeah. Just on the monorail, it's nice and quiet at this time, but I think it's going to be pretty busy because it is Veterans Day, so it's a holiday here. in the US, so it probably will be busy, but it's absolutely fine.
Yeah, well, I mean, we looked at the wait times yesterday, didn't we? Just out of curiosity, and it's like Pirates was like half an hour.
They were okay.
Yeah,
they were absolutely fine.
That busy, so.
Usually we have the DAS pass, but they've obviously made a lot of changes to that, so this will be our first time at Disney without having the DAS pass, so we're just going to stay positive and see what they're like. If it's half an hour wait times, I don't mind. I think it was 60 minutes for Tron. Again, I don't mind that. If I'm feeling okay, I can manage 60 minutes. It's absolutely worth it, but we might do a lightning lane for Tron if we can, just to speed that up a little bit. We made a bit of a boo-boo this morning with Tiana's. Because our tickets are non-dated, you have to make a park reservation. Completely forgot to do that. Obviously there was plenty of reservations available.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Monorail Orange. Our next stop is the Grand Floridian.
Yay!
If you're standing, hold on to those silver hand railings and do not lean against those automatic doors.
So we jumped on the resort monorail because the monorail that goes straight to the Magic through Contemporary into Magic Kingdom is
the one in front was getting maintenance checks.
One of the monorails was getting inspected, so there was a bit of a queue. So they told us to get on the ferry. So just as we were walking to the ferry, one of the monorails for the resorts pulled into the station, so we ran up the ramp and jumped on this one.
Yeah, but before they did the announcement, I was just saying we never did the park reservation, so when we were on to do the virtual queue for Tiana's, it said we weren't eligible, and it's because we didn't have a park reservation, so we've missed the 7 o'clock virtual queue. We did have it all sorted by 1 minute past 7, but that's how quick they go, so we're going to join it at 1 o'clock, so yeah.
It smells so good in here.
There it is in all its glory. Wow.
Love that chandelier.
How do we get downstairs?
The stairs member over here.
Yeah.
This has got to be our. Oh. I think this is like the epitome of Disney, this resort.
This will be us next year. Well, for a few days.
Yeah, when we get married next year here. So not at the Grand Floridian, but we're staying a couple of nights here.
We got engaged at the Grand Floridian.
We got engaged here, yeah. So
as a little wedding gift, my mum's going to give us some money towards booking a stay at the Grand Floridian. We're going to rent the vacation points, aren't we?
We are indeed.
Stay for 2 or 3 nights.
Looking forward to it. It's empty, man. It's so quiet.
I know, I'm glad, because imagine we came here in the afternoon to try and get
it'd be
pictures. It
rammed.
would have been so busy. So this was another great shout from me.
Well done, Amy. That's why you plan these things.
Yep.
I just tag along for the ride.
Donuts. Winnie the Pooh's almost coming, David.
Why does everything in America just taste better?
These are the best things I've ever tried, the churro waffles. Just you get your picture, David.
It's my birthday.
Yeah. It's so nice in here, isn't it? Oh, look, David. It's your turn. Almost. I'm getting more excited than you. Go on, David. Morning. Hi. Oh. Thank you. So cute. What have you went for? Churro waffle? A muffin? Is that a muffin? A biscuit, sorry. Sausages and some fruit. You need to try, I need to see your reaction to the waffle. I got the hot syrup for them as well.
I've had donuts.
Yep.
Some toast.
We'll be here for as long as we can, going all out, getting our money's worth.
Some cereal.
Yeah, you need to try that. I thought it was amazing, but I had syrup on it. You thought they're maybe a bit dry because you've not soaked it in syrup. The syrup is at the buffet.
No, they're really nice.
Oh, there's Eeyore, David. We've not met Eeyore yet. He's my favourite. Oh.
Morning, everyone. Well, this is take 2 of entering the Magic Kingdom. We've had a bit of a morning. We've had breakfast at Crystal Palace, done and dusted. But I left the microphone for the camera at the Grand Floridian this morning. It's fell off my bag. I've not noticed, and it's gone. So we went back to check to see if someone handed it in, and they haven't. So some scummy person's went and stole it. So fingers crossed it does show up, but if you've stole my microphone, shame on you. So yeah, we're just going to head up Main Street now and get a picture in front of the castle and start getting on some rides, because the day's already started. It is just after 10 o'clock, or about 10:30 now. So weather's nice, it's not too hot and it's not overly busy, so hopefully we get on a few things. I think Tron's about 45 minutes, that's the longest wait time. Everything else is like 15-20 minutes. So yeah.
Hopefully you're talking loud and clear, because we've got no microphone now.
So what a day.
But what was I going to say there? It could be worse.
It could be worse.
We just seen some
could be the camera.
Poor woman fall over holding a little girl. Thankfully they were okay, but it's fine. It's a material item.
Yeah.
We can replace it.
But it's not the first thing I forgot. I left my flight socks on the plane as well, so just a minute. That's the tree. So some of the decor around Main Street. We've got all the Christmas decorations up.
I'm going ahead and get some pictures at the castle.
Yeah, pictures.
Before anything else goes wrong today.
Yeah.
It's early into the holidays, so someone might hand it in. I think someone's maybe picked it up, and I mean, unless you had a camera like a DJI or whatever, you probably wouldn't know what it is. So someone has maybe scored and found themselves a little free camera.
I know, but
well, not camera, microphone.
Yeah.
But like you said, it could have been worse. We could have blooming left the camera somewhere, and that would have been an absolute disaster. So.
But still, if you see something lying, hand it in. Don't take it.
Be a good guy.
Unless it's a winning lottery ticket, don't hand it in. But yeah, annoying. But c'est la vie.
As long as people can hear us on the camera, we'll soon find out once we get home and stick all the footage onto the the laptop, and if it's rubbish sound, then nobody will ever see this anyway.
Yeah. What a day, what a day, what a day.
I wonder what the temperature is. It's 10:40 now, and it's definitely a lot warmer. 28 feels like 31.
Woo. Right, where to first?
I want to go to the left of the castle and get
Just
that
a
nice
little bit
photo
in there.
opportunity.
Right, and then Pirates.
Yep, we've not even looked at wait times. We've,
I've
you
said all
have?
that.
Oh, you've said all that? Oh,
Yeah.
you're ahead of me. Did you say that we made a boo-boo? We never done a lightning lane for Tron because that's sold out?
Yeah, we didn't realise that you have to book in advance for Lightning Lane.
4 certain rides for Tron
For
and 7
Tron.
Dwarfs. They were both sold out. They're sold out for the rest of this week. So basically, as soon as you land in Florida, get on your Disney app and
Or even
book a
a-
lightning
well,
lane. You
well-
can't do it back home.
Okay, not.
Nope, and unless it's changed, but people were saying you couldn't even do it with a VPN back home. You have to wait until you're in the US to do it. So
Oh well.
we'll learn that for next time.
Well, again, still have it.
Yeah.
Just enjoy the day, enjoy life. And then we'll pick this back up once we get on some of the rides. So in the space of getting pictures at the castle, Haunted Mansion's gone up to 40 minutes from 13. Thunder Mountain's gone up from 10 minutes to, what was it, half an hour?
For what, sorry?
Thunder Mountain.
That's went to 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Haunted Mansion's 40 minutes. Pirates 15.
Let's just stay at 15. Tron was 45 minutes, but everything else has gone up,
Let
and
me
I
check.
imagine that'll have gone up as well.
Space Mountain 25 minutes. Tron's 50 minutes.
50 for Tron.
Yeah, which isn't too bad.
Nope, not bad. So 15 minutes, this is probably going to be just about near enough a walk on, but we'll see what happens, and we'll see you on the other side.
They need a bit of persuasion, ladies. Fire at will. We're not afraid of you. It's Captain Jack Sparrow we're after, and a fortune in gold. Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you the Navy school.
I am no chica. I will not talk.
Like the lubber aloft, matey. Where be Captain Jack Sparrow and the treasure, you rat?
Do I hear 10? A hand for a 10.
I'll give you 20 for the rod.
Pipe down, you lily-livered lover. Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hens a Davy Jones.
So someone can fact check me on this, but I'm sure like years and years and years ago, this used to be a McDonald's, or at least used to sell McDonald's fries and stuff like that. But
You might have just been dreaming that one.
I'm sure it did. And if it was, bring back a McDonald's inside the theme parks. We want a Mackey's.
I need to Google this.
I'm sure it was.
McDonald's inside Magic Kingdom.
But Pirates was pretty much a 15-minute.
Yep.
It was.
Says there is no McDonald's inside Magic Kingdom, but there was once a McDonald's hosted snack bar in Frontierland.
It was a fry cart and it served French fries and soft drinks, and it closed in December 2007.
See?
Wow.
I'm here for all day for your Disney facts.
We're now heading to Big Thunder Mountain, which is still showing as a 30-minute wait. So we'll see how long. Pirates was 15 minutes, and I would say, I never timed it, but I'd say that was pretty accurate, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So.
And then 1, 2, 3. There's Tiana's.
Which we'll try and get on later.
Yeah. Not overly fussed for it, but.
Be good to see it.
Yeah. Bring back Splash Mountain.
It's the same, just different theming.
Yeah. Well, it says 20 minutes up there for Big Thunder, so hopefully this is a little bit shorter wait time than what's expected, and then we'll get on this. And then Haunted Mansion's a 40-minute wait. I'm not waiting 40 minutes. Yeah, hopefully, because I'm not waiting 40 minutes for that.
Why are you being such a negative Nancy? We have all the time in the world.
Yeah, we do. So that's us going on Big Thunder, so we'll see you when we get off it.
Picked up a birthday badge for David. He's wearing it with pride. His birthday's not actually till a week today, but obviously this is our one and only day at Disney, so Haunted Mansion in the background. Nice and quiet, this area.
They just started their lunch.
Where are we heading to now?
Haunted Mansion.
Well, we're going to do Haunted Mansion.
As well.
Let's check the wait times. Let's have a little look. Let's check Tron. Tron's still 55 minutes and the single pass experience is still showing as not currently available. But it was saying the same for Seven Dwarfs earlier, and now that's available, so that might change. Might be able to buy a lightning lane for it after all. Still got 40 minutes until we can join the virtual queue for Tiana's. And Space Mountain's 40 minutes. Where's Haunted Mansion?
40 minutes.
When did you check it?
Before we got an ice cream.
Haunted Mansion 30 minutes.
Alright, cool.
That's not bad, went down a little bit. So yeah, we're just going to head over to Haunted Mansion. And then we'll maybe head to Tron, because that's still showing as 55 minutes and that's kind of top of the list, so we better just join the queue for that before it gets too late. What are you doing, taking a picture? Sending your birthday picture badge.
Yep. I was 2 when I first came to Florida.
So you've been travelling to Florida and Disney for 38 years. That's pretty impressive.
Minus the 8 years of living here.
So how many times in 38 years do you think you've been to Disney?
God knows. God knows, too many. Well, we used to come twice a year on holiday.
Yeah.
Sometimes 3 times. And then my friends who used to work here, they used to come all the time, so a lot.
A lot.
Priceless first editions, only ghost stories. And marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here to the Haunted Mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour.
So we've just got off Haunted Mansion. That said it was a 40-minute wait. But what was it? 30 minutes? You clocked it
31
at
minutes.
31 minutes from joining the line until
Getting onto the buggy.
boarding the
Doom buggy.
dune buggy. So Tron, it's been about 50 minutes all day pretty much, but it's now down to half an hour, so we're just going to head to Tron and go on that, and then we've done everything that we want to do. And what time is it? 20 past 1, and we've done everything that we've wanted to do, and we've been here since 8:30. We're not big fans of the mine train or Peter Pan or anything like that, so we're giving Space Mountain a miss just because I think I'm too big for it. It rattles you about, and I'm not here for it. So I'm just going to go on Tron and then get home and then
Have a look around the shops.
have a wee look around the shops.
I really want to get the pet portrait, so I need to remember what shop that's in. Get one of them. Well, 3 of them.
I need to buy 3. Oh, about to get taken out by a buggy. So we're going to head on Tron, and then
We're not able to get on Tiana's.
So Tiana's reached capacity today, so
We kind of thought it was a bit strange because, like I said, we couldn't get on it at 7, but we had got everything sorted by 7:01 and it was gone. And then as soon as it hit 12:59, we were refreshing it, and then it just booted us out the queue, didn't it? Went back on it at bang on 1 o'clock, and it said it was at full capacity and nobody else could join. So I'd be surprised if anyone got a boarding group for 1 o'clock. So that's a shame, but we've done Splash Mountain, we know it's pretty much the same, but it would have been good to see the new theme in, but we'll just have to wait until next year. That's absolutely fine.
So like I said, just heading on Tron now, so we'll see you when we come off the Tron. I know this gets a bad rap for being a short ride, but if you're born in the 80s or grew up in the 80s and you watch Tron, and then Tron, like I say, criminally underrated movies, so good. So just come off mostly a 55-minute wait, and it was 15 minutes, so
pretty accurate.
Pretty much bang on. Again, didn't feel like a long wait, although at times we started to get thirsty towards the end, so I was like, I just want to go off this and
it went quite quick. That felt quicker than queuing 30 odd minutes for Haunted Mansion.
Oh yeah, it did actually. Haunted Mansion felt like an eternity.
Once we were inside Tron, it went pretty quick. So yeah, it wasn't too bad at all. Tron's worth waiting 55 minutes for.
Nah, I love it. I know it doesn't get a lot, it's quite a bad rep because it's about a minute long, the ride, but it's so good. It's such a good ride.
You love the films.
I love the films, yeah. They'll never ever get old to me. So it's up there with one of my favourite rides here.
What? You want to do the People Mover?
No, they're my favourite ride now, People Mover.
Forgot about that.
Yeah, no, it's just
Do we know what the time is for People Mover?
I think it's like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So
better than when we came in May because we never ended up going on the People Mover.
No, it was like
40-minute wait every time.
So we're not doing that, so we're just going to head on that and
then we'll probably be done. Yeah,
go home.
We've been here since just before, we got into the park just before 8:30. So, and it's now 4:45, so it's pretty good going. We're undecided if we're going to come back for the fireworks or not, which I know that some people probably be shocked at, like, how can you go to Disney and not go to the fireworks? But we were just here in May and we're not overly fussed, like we've seen it so many times, but saying that, we're probably not going to be back at Disney until September, October next year. We are hoping to come back to Florida in June next year, but we won't be doing Disney. We'll just be doing Universal, Epic Universal. Just kind of doing that trip on a bit of a budget because obviously September, October is our big wedding trip and we'll be getting Disney tickets for that and kind of going all out. So we'll probably try and save some money and not do Disney in June next year. So we might come for the fireworks. We'll see how we're feeling. But yeah, we're just gonna go people mover, have a chilled 5 minutes, however long people mover lasts, and then head to the shops.
Smell that popcorn. Oh my god.
They have, we're not going to buy it, but I'm sure people will have seen it, but they have like this Christmas popcorn from I think it's from the Emporium on Main Street, and I'm not even a big fan of popcorn, but it looks amazing. And our friends always rave about the popcorn, don't they, with all the toppings.
I'm just trying to find who has it.
Christmas, well, that's not the Christmas one though, the one
but
you've seen it, haven't you?
Yeah.
And it has like the Christmassy tub and M&M's on it. Oh, it looks amazing. But I've already eaten way too much today, so I've got no room for anything else. Just having a little spice just now, but I'll have room for my dinner later. It just means that I've not got any room left for Disney snacks, which is unfortunate.
Right, well, time to head on the people mover now.
Yep.
Remain seated at all times, keeping
you look like you were going for a nap there.
Legs and other appendages inside your car. And please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the door.
I think we need more than 5 hours sleep.
Yeah.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
Oh, look at all the Christmas stuff. Look.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Walt at 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster laughs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
Nostalgic.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
That's what alien encounter just do that.
Yeah.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to Green and Red Lines.
Don't worry, your express keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City, Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny ORAC. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks on the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
We've never done that.
Nor shall we?
Not on your to-do list. Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.